Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to find out whether a variable is local or environmental. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so over the past few tutorials I've been showing you bash scripting. However, this time I will only show you how to find out whether a variable is local or environmental, because this is actually important for bash scripting. Okay, so let me write a variable car equals let's say Toyota. Okay, something like that. Hit enter. So right now I could write declare -p car. So as you can see here, we get two dashes. This basically means it's a local variable. Okay, however, let me go ahead and make it environmental. Type export car, and then let me type the same command. So here we get the X. So that X basically means that it's an environmental variable. Okay, so let me actually show you why this is important for bash scripting. Okay, so let me write my bash script and name it test.sh. So now I'm going to show you why this is actually important for a bash script. Okay, so I'm going to type echo and then type this is a, and then I'm going to write a variable name. Let's just write truck. Okay, so if I run our bash script, let's see what happens. So we do not get any, we only get this is a, because there is no variable named truck. However, I can do that right now. So I'm going to type export truck equals Ford, and let me go ahead and run the bash script, and as you can see it says this is a Ford. So this is why understanding environmental variables and local variables are super important for bash scripting. Okay, so I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.